New week, new beginning. Let's see what lies ahead for the day for gold and silver. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. And I will give you the trading levels and trading strategy for the day. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Missing to subscribe this channel is missing the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Also, do watch the next analysis on gold, and that is why press the bell icon. The next analysis will be up before the US cash session. This is the hourly chart for gold. You can find out that this is the bullish territory, and after that minor retracement, it is creating higher lows here at around 1708 levels. And yes, if you see it dropping below 1704 again, you can go short there till the time it trades above 1704. Be cautious with the shorts. At the same time, one must observe that it is trying to trade in this channel. I will be watchful in between 1704 and 1715 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic on bottom trying to bounce back from here. MACD bearish trying to converge and crossover. Let's see if it does. RSI looking upwards trying to trade moderately bullish here. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, see the rise there, retracement, and then again trying to rise from here. So as I said, only short entry is below 1704. Below 1704, yes, you can go short, but then be watchful of 1700. This is going to be an important support for gold today, and likewise 1695 levels. These two levels, if taken today, then definitely one can remain short for the rest of the week. Also on the upside, once it trades above 1715, still do watchful of 1718, and beyond that we can expect 1725. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking downwards. MACD is bullish, willing to converge here and cross over for a sell entry, and RSI looking upwards. So couple of indicators trying to cool down and trying to cross over for a sell. Couple of indicators trying to trade bullish. It's a mixed indication so far on for gold. Now on the 3-hour charts also similar is the story, and if you find that the bullish rise consolidation trying to consolidate here, I will wait for a breakout. Once it sustains above 1715, I think that should be a good level, but then 1718, 1722, 25. Be watchful and careful till 1725. Beyond 1725, it should definitely fly, and for the rest of the week, I think we can remain bullish on gold if it continues to rise from there. Directional movement bearish here. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD has seen a high trying to trade parallel. I think divergence from here will be difficult for on MACD, and probably gold may try to trade or sustain these levels and then drop from there. RSI looking upwards and trying to act bullish. On the 4-hour chart also, it has created a base trying to rise from here. Probably one probability exists that it may create a double top there, and then a drop from there is quite possible. So create a symmetry out there, create a double top, and from there it can start to drop. So till 1720 22 zone we have to be very cautious, and specifically 1725. If it breaks past this zone, definitely it will fly for the rest of the week. I will be watchful of 1725 specifically. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is divergent. I think it has seen the high. Probably from here the convergence must start. RSI looking upwards. And on the daily charts, see on the daily charts, here it is lower highs consistently, and probably then you have to be very cautious till towards 1715 first resistance, 1718, these two levels you should watch out for, and then 1720. Beyond this, yes, definitely we should expect a little more rise than 1725, 30, 35 levels can be expected. So one thing is very clear, we have to be very cautious in between 1715 and 1722 levels. Yes, you can go long, but then till 1722 and 17, even I will say till 1725, you should trade with a stop loss and trade with the stop loss at cost. So in between 1715, 1725, do trade with the stop loss at cost. Only if it trades beyond 1725, we can remain bullish and we can expect it to fly high. On the downside, once it drops below 1704, it should break below 1700 first target, 1695 second target. Trading below 1695, you can expect more bearishness. Daily charts, directional movement is still bearish, it is divergent. Stochastic is trying to come out, it was oversold. MACD is bearish. It is still divergent. RSI is at bottom. Considering this, you must short or sell only if you see it trading below 1704. Below that, yes, you can expect it to drop a little. Rather, I will say, in fact, you can sell it below 1708, but then the next target is 1705, 1704 levels. Below 1704, then the next target is 1700, 1695. These two levels, 1695, you should watch out for. If it breaks below 1695, it will call for a more drop, and one can remain bearish for the rest of the day. On the upside, yes, you can go long at 1715, then expect that the 1718, 1722, these two levels should be a good resistance, then 1725. If it breaks beyond 1725, definitely it will fly high. So in between 1708 and 1715, do not trade. In fact, below 1708, 1705 or 1704 is the level where it might get a very strong resistance. Be cautious of that. You have to trade with the stop loss. You have to trade with the stop loss at cost. Immediately shift your stop loss at cost if you have taken a trade at 1708. On the upside, if you have taken a buy trade at 1715, you must shift the stop loss at cost immediately, and 1718 is the immediate resistance. You can either book it or continue to trade with a partial close of trade. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with the stop loss, and trade profitably. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn the art of reading the charts, taking the perfect entries and perfect exits, you can join my mentorship batch. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, lifetime support is what you get. Definitely investing in learning will help you become a profitable, proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email ID is mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be a patron and get all the supports and signals there. The link for the patron site is mentioned in the channel and video description too. Now for silver, silver on the hourly charts has taken a support at 1795, trying to rise from here, and then 1810 is a very good resistance there. So in between 1795 and 1810, it is trying to get the resistance. Above 1810, possibly we may see a resistance at 1815 and 1820. If it breaks beyond 1820, we can expect more bullishness. I have always told 1820, 1840, these two levels are going to be, and rather in fact till 1850, 1820, 1840 and 1850, these three levels you should watch out for. If silver trades above 1850, we can remain bullish for 1900 and plus level. That is what I will expect. But right now it is trying to get a resistance at around 1795 and 1810 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is at bottom trying to rise. MACD is bearish trying to converge from here. RSI trading with a bullish bias. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, it is signaling a reversal with the support at 1795. See, 4 candles getting a support at 1795. This candle, it is trying to break out. It is indicating that probably we may see little bullishness, but then 1810, 1815, 1820, these three levels you should watch out for. Only and only if it sustains above 1820, we can expect 1830 and 1840 as the next targets. So till 1850, yes, it has good resistance on the upside. Directional movement diverging again, and it is bullish. Stochastic is comfortable. It is neither oversold nor overbought. MACD is divergent here, and it is moderately bullish. Stochastic again trying to look upwards. And on the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, 4 candles getting support at 1795. See, whenever you see such candles getting strong support at a particular level, one can definitely expect, see, it is just like a wall. If you bang on the wall and it fails to break, definitely you will reverse your direction, and that is what is happening here. It may try to trade with little bullishness till the time it trades above 1795, and in between 1810. 1810 is again a resistance there. Only and only if it breaks above 1810, you can expect 1815 is the first target. 1820 definitely a very good resistance. Above 1830, 1840, 1850 are the targets. So yes, you can go long at 1810, but then you have to be very cautious. 1815, 1820, 30, 40, 50. These are the levels which you can remain the targets, and every target, once it gets achieved, either you should close your trades or either shift the stop loss to those levels or trail the stop loss, trade accordingly. Now below 1795, definitely it will call for a good drop. I'll give you those levels too. Directional movement is still moderately trading with very little divergence, and it is on bullish side. Stochastic trading flat. MACD is in green. It must trade flat and then cross over for a sell. RSI looking upwards. On the 4-hour chart, similar is the story, similar are the levels. Below 1795, we can expect 1790 first target, 1780, 1770 and 1760. See, till 1760 it has got good support. Below 1760 we have to be very careful. So first at 1780 you should watch out for, then 1760, and below that it is going to crash heavily. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic trading flat. MACD trading with a little divergence and it is bullish side. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the daily charts, see on the daily chart, see these two candles. If you align these trades, 1815, 1820 zone is going to be an ultimate resistance. Breaking beyond 1820, definitely one can expect that it is going to fly high and we can consider it for a little reversal till towards 1830, 1840 levels. Till the time it trades below 1820, we have to be a little bit cautious there and we have to trade always with the stop loss at cost. So yes, you can go long at 1810, but then you have to be very careful. At the same time, once it drops below 1795, expect it to drop for 1790, 1780. 1780, very good support. Below that, we can see another drop. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking upwards. MACD bearish there, is trying to converge. RSI is near to bottom and trading just outside the lower limit. So yes, in between 1795 and 1810, be very cautious with the silver trade. And yes, above 1810, 1815, 1820 is a good resistance zone. Till 1820 we can expect it to reverse any point of time. Above 1820 we can expect moderate bullishness. 1830, 40, 50 are the targets. On the downside, below 1795, expect it to trade little bearish. 1790 first target, then 1780 very strong support zone, and below 1780 one can remain bearish for 1770, 1760. Below 1760 it will crash heavily. Take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do join my Telegram channel, do join my pattern page, do join the mentorship batch and do join the signals group. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.